Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. I am GD sir of your English subject teacher and today I will start the chapter nouns. Okay? And it is the grammar portion and I hope in the previous video you all understand the chapter 1 and it's all the exercise. Okay? Now this is the chapter number 2 and I will teach the noun and its kind and how can we identify of the noun. Clear? So let's start the video and learn and know more thing about the noun. First, before starting the video and know the kind of noun, it is very necessary to know the definition of noun. Okay, so let's see here. Noun and its definition is: a noun is the name of person, a place, an animal, a feeling, or an idea. Okay. It means the noun is the name of a person, place, animals or things. How can we easily understand this noun? So simply I make a graph. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, things or feeling. Okay, we can simply know that the noun is the name. It is the name. Okay, only a name word. Noun is the word, and what kind of the word? It is the word of name. Clear? And what is the name? Name of person, name of place, name of animal, name of things, name of feeling. Okay, you can see all around us there is the many things, and the human beings keep everything's name. Okay, keep everything's name like a fan, table, chair, any human body. Then write tell him or call him Ramesh, Riya, Geeta, etc., etc. Many of the words that used to identify of that person, that things, that place and feeling. Okay, so it is the noun is the name of any person, place, animals or things. Any person name like any person name like Ramesh or Ram, Geeta, boy, okay, dog, sorry, boy, girl. It is the name of person. It is the name of person. And any place name like Agra, city, village. It is the place name. We can say that Agra is a place, city is a place, and the village is a place. Your Gorakhpur is also a place. Okay. Animal, any animal name like dog, cat. It is the animal name. Elephant. Okay. It is the animal name. And any things name. You have a many things. You can see many of the things around us like a table, chair, board, chalk, duster, etc. are the things. And all the things put a name like his name. It is a things that we can clean the board and we keep its name as a duster. Okay, it is the duster. And when someone tell you to bring the duster, then you will simply take the duster and give him or her. Okay, so we keep the anything's name. Okay, and any feeling's name. A human body have many feeling, and every feeling has express a different kind of the feeling, and different feelings so name is different like a childhood, kindness, okay, beauty, etc. are the feeling. Pain is also feeling. So we can say that it is the feeling. So you know that first is noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animals or thing. Like a Ramesh, Agra, dog, childhood. It is the example of the noun. And how can we easily understand the noun? Noun is the name. It is the only name. We can say that naming word is noun. Naming word is noun. Noun is the name of any person. What kind of the name? Or name of person, place, animals or things. Like any person name, Ram, Gita, boys, girls, etc. are the person name. Any place name like Agra, city, village, etc. are the any place name. Animal name like a boy, cat, elephant. Okay, it is the animal name. Anything's name like a blackboard, whiteboard, books, copy, duster, etc. are the things name. Any feeling name like a kindness, beauty, childhood, etc. are the feeling. Okay, so we can say that all the points like a person, place, animal, things, and feeling. All the points have a name, and is this naming word is called noun. Clear? Now we can classify of the noun word or a noun words in a different parts. Okay, we can divide the noun words in a different part. Like here we can study the kinds of noun. These kinds of noun divided into 5 parts like proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Clear? There are 5 kind of the noun. How many kind of the noun? 5 kind of noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Clear? First we talking about the proper noun. What is the proper noun? A noun. A noun, the name of a particular person, place, monument or building is called a proper noun. We can say that. See, in a simple language, we can say that a particular name of person, a particular name of person, place, animals or things is called proper noun. For example, Ramesh, Mumbai, Tommy, etc. are the proper name. How can you identify the proper name? Then you can see if there are a class and in the class there are many students and every student has a different name. Like one of the boys name is Rohan and one of the boy name is Rakesh, Abhay, Abhishek, etc. are the many names. Okay, and when the name is different, and if I call someone like a Rohan, come here, then only Rohan is coming. Not the whole boys are coming here. Only Rohan is come. Why? Because the Rohan is a name of a person. Rohan is the name of person, and what kind of the name? It is the particular name. It is the particular name. Rohan is a particular name that used for a someone person, only a one person. So we can say Ramesh, Mumbai, Tommy, etc. are the particular name. It is not used only for a person. You can use this word for the animals. You can use this for the animals and places. Like Mumbai is the particular name in the India, where someone says that Mumbai is the great city. So you think about that only one Mumbai that situated in the bank of ocean. Okay, it is the inside of the ocean. So Mumbai is the particular name. If someone says that Gorakhpur, then you think about the Gorakhpur. It is your district and it is the particular name of place. It is the particular name of place. Okay. So as a Tommy is the also a particular name. Many of the dogs has a, but when you pay, you have a pet animals and you keep her name like a Tommy, Sheru. Okay. It is the name. What kind of the name? Particular name. So this name will be proper noun. Clear? Next is common noun. Common noun, a noun that names people, place or things. Names people, place or things is general is called common noun. Okay, we can simply in a simple language common noun. A common noun, okay, a noun that used for a common person, place, animals or things. It is the common noun. How can you say? Like man, man is the common noun. Boy, boy is a common noun. City, city is a common noun. Dog, dog is a common noun. How can you say it is the common noun? Like there are a class. Give a example. I have give a previous in a proper noun. There is a class, and in the class there are many students, and every student we can see the each student as a boy. Okay, each student as a boy. Like Abhishek is a boy, Rohan is a boy, Rakesh is a boy. Okay, so boy word is a common word that used for the Abhishek, Rohan, Rakesh, etc. Okay, many of the name that used for the everyone. A name, a word name that used for the many of the person, many of the things, many of the city or places. Okay, places. So this word will be common now. Like city, we can say that Gorakhpur is a city. Okay, if we can say that state, so UP is a state, MP is a state, Uttarakhand is a state. Okay, so all the area proper noun. Your MP is a proper noun, UP is a proper noun. But when we say that state word is a common noun. Okay, next is collective noun. Collective noun means a collective noun is the name of a collection of a people or things taken together and spoken as a whole. Okay, collective noun means a noun that used that make the group, and we can keep the name of that group. That will be collective noun. The name used for the collection of people, animal, birds or object is called a collective noun. Simply like a flock, herd, family. Okay, you have also watched the cricket, and cricket had a many players, and many players have their particular name, like Sachin Tendulkar, Saurav Ganguly, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma. It is the particular name, and every particular name has a common name. Like Rohit Sharma is a player, Saurav Ganguly is a player, Virat Kohli is a player, Sachin Tendulkar is a player. So player word is a common noun. And when all the players make a group, and we called in a word like a team. Okay, when we call that group like a name as a team. Team word is a collective noun. Okay, like a herd. Herd has a many of the animal. Okay, many of the cow make a herd. Flock, many of the sheep make a flock. Okay, family, many of the member of the human being make a family. So family word, herd word, flock word is a grouping word, and it's when we make or keep a name of the group, then it will be collective noun. Clear? Next is abstract noun. Abstract noun, the name of an idea, a concept, a state, being a feeling, is called an abstract noun. Okay, what is the abstract noun? Abstract noun is the name of any feeling. Okay, any feeling or concept or state. Okay, like a beauty, trust, pain. Clear? It is the abstract noun. It is the way we have a many of the feeling. We have the many of the feeling, and feeling has a different kind of the feeling, and every feeling we can classify this feeling in a different parts, and when we keep the different name of the every feeling, then it will be the abstract noun. Like beauty. Beauty is the expression, okay, and it is the concept, it is the idea and state. Childhood is a state, youth is a state, okay. So state name as a, it is the quality of the human being, okay. When a person is small, that is the quality is childhood. It's child is a boy, a common word, but his childhood is a its quality, okay, clear. And trust, honest, you have know also the word honest, okay. Honest is a common noun word, it is the common noun. Why? Because we can say any boy as a honest, but honest has a quality like a honesty. Honesty is a quality. Why? If the human being has a honesty, then he will be honest. If he has no honesty, then we cannot say that the person is honest. So honesty is a quality, and this quality is a abstract noun. Quality, it is quality name, and when this is the quality and we can use its name as a honesty, and it will be abstract noun. Clear? Next is material noun. Material noun means when the name of the substance of or matter from which a thing is made is called a material noun, okay. It means when we get something from the nature as a directed, okay, and this all the materials we can get from the nature, that materials called a material noun. Like a silver, wood, paper, gold, etc. are the material. Water, it is the material word, okay, and this material word we can get from the nature. So this material word, we keep the all material as a different name. We keep the all material as a different name, and this naming word, this name word of the material will be material noun, okay. So I hope everyone understand this part, and if you have any problem to understand the kind of noun, it means noun and its kind, then comment in a comment box, and I will also give the solution of the whole your confusion, okay. So thank you for the watching this video. Best of luck.